Hello students, I hope you are happy as well as healthy. You are staying at home and you are safe. Today we are going to start new chapter for you, My Elder Brother. Students, you can see on the screen the chapter is available. First of all there is title My Elder Brother. Elder brother means बड़ा भाई. Students, this story was originally written by Munshi Premchand in Hindi, बड़े भाई साहब, and it is given to you in the form of a play. In class we assign the role for you, but since it is a video, you are staying at home, I am staying at my home, so it is not possible to assign you roles. Therefore I will read the chapter for you. You have to practice yourself at home. First of all you will listen me very carefully. Okay, we will start from page number 64. Okay, the chapter is easily visible to you. My Elder Brother. This short play is about two brothers who are affectionate. These two brothers are very affectionate and respectful to each other. The story also shows that learning from our day-to-day experiences is as important as what we learn from books in the school. This play is based on the famous story in Hindi, Bade Bhai Saheb, written by Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand, you know, one of the most famous novelist and a story writer. Munshi Premchand, he used to write in Hindi. There are some new words. Okay, in line number 1 there is a word affectionate, means loving. This short play is about two brothers who are affectionate. Affectionate means loving to each other. They love each other. They are also respectful. Another new word, respectful. It is a good quality to be respectful. Respectful means one who respects others. Younger brother respects elder brother. Elder brother also respects the younger brother. So they are respectful to each other. The story also shows that learning from our day-to-day experiences is as important as what we learn from books and the school. This play is based on the famous story. Just I have told you, the story was originally written in Hindi in the form of as a story, but here it has been developed as a play for you, natak, drama. This play is based on the famous story in Hindi, Bade Bhai Sahab, and the story is written by Munshi Premchand. Okay students, we come to the new page where you will find the story is written scene wise, scene 1, scene 2. Today we will do only scene 1 and scene 2. Okay, let us see what is there in scene 1. A hostel room. Hostel, you know, a place where students live and study there. There are so many boarding schools where students have to stay and they have to study. There are Navodaya Vidyalayas spread all over India. They are hostels are available there. Students live there as well as study. Hostel room, two brothers aged 9 and 14. One brother is 9 years old, another is 14 years old, sitting at the study table. The elder brother Bhaiya, the elder brother is also in Hindi हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, भैया कहते हैं. The elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book and the younger one Munna is drawing pictures of birds and animals. So in the story there are two characters. One is the elder brother named Bhaiya, another character is Munna, the younger brother. Bhaiya is busy reading reading a book, and the younger one Munna is busy drawing pictures of birds and animals. I am going to read the dialogue of both Bhaiya and Munna for you. Scene 1 only. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? Munna, I am drawing. भैया when will you study? Where were you in the morning? मुन्ना turning pale, looking fearful, डर गया after hearing words of his elder brother, बड़े भाई साहब. I was praying, भैया how can you sit with a book for hours together? भैया that's because I want my foundation in education to be strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. What does Bhaiya say? That is because I want my foundation. Students, what is meaning of foundation? In Hindi you say base, new. Another word in English base. Foundation means base. न्यू जो है किसी जैसे बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं तो उसमें सबसे पहले न्यू होता है. न्यू को मजबूत होना चाहिए. Okay, foundation must be strong because on the foundation only the upper part of the building stands. I want my foundation in education to be very strong. This is the reply of Bhaiya. He wants to make his foundation strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly, strongly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Sometimes it takes me 2 years work to do. Okay, so you can see what Bhaiya says. Bhaiya says that sometimes it takes him 2 years in order to finish the work of just 1 year. He is slow. Munna, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. Just see, Bhaiya is 5 years older and 3 classes ahead of him. Munna, I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times. One sentence more than 20 times and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Munna is surprised to know why Bhaiya writes again and again poems, etc. Bhaiya, you know, studying English is no child's play. No child's play. Look at the phrase, no child's play. People say that if any work is easy, people say it is a child's play. Child play means a work which is very easy. You know, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or write English properly, tremendous effort is required. Tremendous, very large, बहुत ज़्यादा. Tremendous effort, attempt is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles, fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit and study? These are the instructions of Bhaiya to Munna, that the moment he gets chance, he goes out in the field, play marbles, fly paper kites, etc., etc. instead of studying. Students, we come to the new page number 66. Munna, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Munna is very curious. Okay, childish question. Oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Mela, you know, fair. Italicized, the word is written italicized. Mela, fair. Oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. आज गांव में मेला है. Should we go? Bhaiya, have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. Prefer. Look at the word prefer, means to like something better. To like something better. किसी चीज़ को ज़्यादा पसंद करना, कंपेरिजन टू. ओके, आई प्रीफर, किसी चीज़ को ज़्यादा पसंद करना. आई प्रीफर टू स्टडी अ बुक. आई डोंट माइंड रिपीटिंग अ क्लास फॉर मोर देन 2 years, बट you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. See, words of Bhaiya a bit harsh as well as like a responsible answer. तुम पैसा बर्बाद कर रहे हो फादर का, और फादर ने उस पैसे को कैसे कमाया? हार्ड अर्न मनी. हार्ड अर्न मीन्स द मनी विच हैज बीन अर्नड बाय वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड. Not easy, and you are only wasting it. Munna starts crying on being scolded, and sobbing sounds wah 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 whoo are heard. The sound of sobbing, sound of weeping, crying is heard. मुन्ना रोने लगता है और उसके सॉबिंग की आवाज़ सुनाई पड़ने लगती है. मुन्ना कह रहा है, भैया आई फील लाइक रनिंग अवे एंड गोइंग बैक होम. मैं भागना चाहता हूँ, घर जाना चाहता हूँ. भैया, नाउ नाउ स्टॉप क्राइंग, पुट ऑन अ नाइस स्माइल, लुक, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. Get up at dawn. D-A-W-N. Dawn means early in the morning. In Hindi, प्रभात. दान माने होता प्रभात का समय. A time before sunrise. Sunrise के पहले का जो समय है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं प्रभात. In English, dawn. D-A-W-N. Look at notice the spelling. It is not D-O-W-N. It is D-A-W-N. Dawn. Now, Bhaiya has prepared a timetable. 2 columns are given. 1 column time, another column is schedule. What he is supposed to do. The timetable is here. Time schedule is given. Time given and subject-wise timetable. But do you notice? Is there any time for playing? 6 a.m. wash your hands, have your breakfast, sit down to study. 6 to 8 a.m. English. 8 to 9 a.m. maths. 9 to 9:30 a.m. history, 3:30 p.m. then off to school. 5 to 6 p.m. grammar, half an hour for strolling. 6:30 to 7 p.m. English composition, then dinner. 8 to 9 p.m. translation. 9 to 10 p.m. Hindi. 10 to 11 p.m. other subjects, and then to bed. This is the ending of page number 66, children. And you must have noticed what Munna wants to do. He loves to play games, fly kites, etc. But is there any time? No, because Bhaiya is a bit hard man, hard nature. Okay, hard working person. We come to the next page. Munna, but when is the time to play? Bhaiya, play? What is the need, Munna? Munna, oh, I love the green fields, the gentle bridge. I want to jump up like a football. I like the touch and go and hoo-to-to sounds of the kabaddi, and the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. Magnet in Hindi? Very simple. Something that pulls, attracts, chumbak. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. Munna says that whenever he is in the field, he forgets everything. Now scene 2, the final exams are over and the results are out. Bhaiya, alas, I have failed once again. Alas, I have failed once again. Bhaiya एक बार फिर fail हो गया. It means last time also he faced failure in the class. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference. In the beginning there were 3 years difference. Now the difference has reduced. It is now only 2 years. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Bhaiya, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only 1 class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while in a gulli danda game you might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean. Bhaiya is giving instruction and he is defending himself. Bhaiya is defending, अपने आप को डिफेंड कर रहा है, बचा रहा है कि फेल हो गया तो क्या हुआ. There is some merit also. You might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean you have mastered the game. You have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. Successful. Look at the spelling. Successful. S-U-C-C-E-S-S-F-U-L. Successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. Students, In this paragraph there are two new words, name of two new subjects, part of mathematics, algebra and geometry. Geometry is there already in your mathematics, but there is no algebra. So when you go to the next class, you have to solve algebra also. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiners will not spare you. They want you to learn and word by word from the textbook. Munna: Oh, bhai sahab, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to the 9th class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. Bhaiya: just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. Punctuality means regularity. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's also mixed up. Munna thinking aloud, thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and on. Students, this was part 1 of this lesson. It will be a longer one. That's why I have decided to complete this chapter in 2 parts. So today, scene 1 and scene 2 in part 1 I have completed. In my next video, you will find scene 3. Right from 3C we will start. In the meantime, what you have to do, you have to note down the new words which have been introduced in the lesson in your notebook and learn its spelling as well as meaning also. Children, don't forget to like and subscribe it. Okay, thanks.